Well, hello and welcome back. It's me again. We are back in Estonia and I've got some news. Check it out. So today is 6th of February. A few days ago we received email and we were invited to interview in the embassy, USA Embassy in Tallinn. So today is the day now, and after 1 hour we will go to embassy. Currently we are driving to shop to get some I don't know how it's called, but anyway, we have so many documents and papers, we need to put them nicely somewhere, so we need to get this thing, and then we are driving to the embassy. So we will see what they will ask and what they will tell us. Hopefully we get some kind of answer today, but our lawyer said that it's not going to probably happen today, but let's see. So yep, fingers crossed, everything goes well. So we got what we needed. This thing was this for the business plan. And after 5 minutes we are arriving to the embassy. And to be honest, it's kind of anxious at the moment. All these preparation works and all this year coming together for this day. It kind of feels strange, like going to some kind of exam or something, but actually it's not. Personally, I think that the decision is already made. They're just checking us out, but well, I don't know. That's just my opinion. Hope all goes well. See you soon. So first emotions. Big relief, I think. Very nice woman was asking the questions. Basically just checking about do I know everything about my business and so on, what are my plans, basically everything that was also in the papers. But yeah, they just probably need to check, is this person real and is this story real, and she understood that the story is real. The main concern was that am I able to start the business basically when I land. And as I have everything prepped and thought how to do things, then she also understood that yes, you can basically start immediately. She didn't say like yes, but she said that everything seems to be okay and probably the visas can be printed tomorrow. So we will wait for the email now, and fingers crossed that everything remains to be okay. So now we will go to bakery and celebrate. But before the interview results, let's rewind the time a little bit and let's talk what happened between our investment trip and today. So we came back from Austin at the beginning of November. Then we had all these paperworks. We had invoices, receipts that we needed for our visa papers. We gathered all these and we tweaked a little bit the business plan also, few extras there. Anyway, all the paperwork got finalized in the beginning of December. When Henry gathered all the papers, he had to send them from Arizona to Tallinn, to Estonia, to the embassy. All the papers arrived to Estonia at the end of December because there was like this Christmas time between there. And then we had nothing else to do than just wait. So we waited and waited. And finally we received an email that we were invited to the interview. And the results are here. We finally have the visas. So all this year-long process has come to this point that we are now able to go and open up the business in the United States. So really happy about the result, obviously. And big thanks to Henry, and if anybody needs this kind of help with visas and stuff, then I can share Henry's contact. But yeah, that's it. Come check out my cool Ferrari wall. As I said, I'm also a car guy. Yeah, there is our head of human resources. So yeah, that's Bella. We need to find a way how to fly Bella from Europe to USA also. We have some options, but let's see. Anyway, this is my little... Actually, I have like lots and lots more cars, but these are the main ones that I wanted to gather here to my office, and Bella needs attention again. Okay, let's leave Bella here and let's go downstairs to check some bikes. Hello ladies! So I thought I will share what's going on here in the studio. As you can see, I have many bikes here. Brand new Diavel V4 with Akrapovic exhaust system. Brand new Panigale V4S with this crazy titanium Akrapovic exhaust system. This is how 9,000 euros looks like. Nicely built, as always, from Akrapovic. This bike is not finished. I need to make some black design on it, red and black then. Clutch is going to be changed, tire lettering and so on, so a little bit work with this one. But here I have a bike that I just finished, really nice looking Diavel. It's Diavel 1260 base model, but it's kind of blend from the other Diavels. Basically, it has S model wheels. Coloring is from the Lambo edition. It doesn't have the Lambo edition air intakes, but it has carbon fiber headlight frame, this centerpiece, fuel tank centerpiece. It blends nicely together with AEM factory carbon fiber fuel tank cap, carbon fiber rear mudguard, clutch, Sard exhaust system, looking really nice. I didn't think much about Sard exhaust system before. I kind of didn't like it on the images in the internet, but now this is the first one I installed. I love the build quality, I love the sound, I love how it looks. So it kind of fits the bike really well, in my opinion. These are my currently 3 Diavel wheel designs that I have. This is the first one I made. This is the GT3 design for Jaret Campisi. And this is the latest lightweight edition wheel, obviously to save some weight. I think this wheel is going to look really nice under Diavels because it's really deep and looks kind of sporty. Here we have bike that lots of you probably have seen. It's also up there, so it's here for service. Currently it's ready to hand over to client. New tire lettering, new tires, oil change, changed a few parts to carbon fiber, polished it. Fun fact about the bike is that I built it when it was brand new, and I think it's the highest mileage bike at the moment that I have built. So it was brand new when I built it, and currently it has over 20,000 kilometers, so it's roughly 12,000 miles, but it looks like new basically, so everything is fresh and clean. Really well kept bike. Thank you for the client for keeping it so clean and nice. And here we have my beautiful X-Diavel, just sitting here waiting to see what's going to happen. Actually, I had an idea that maybe I will ship it to USA, then I would have like immediately bike to ride and show off there, use it as a demo bike. But I don't know if it's like the best idea or not. Currently I have one guy interested in it, so maybe next week it's not my bike anymore, but let's see. Lots of you have been asking about how it sounds. For some reason at the end of build series of this bike, for some reason I didn't make the video of the sound. Let's make the video of how it sounds. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. Crazy exhaust system. It sounds so crazy. I don't know, I love the bike, I love how it turned out. It's just perfect for my eyes. With all these news, I've decided to leave this studio to move out. This means I need to finish these client bikes, ship them out to them and clean the place up. As I said in the first video, KikasDesign European side is not going to be closed. From now on it's obviously more limited because my main focus will go to USA side. If anybody from Europe is interested in D+ bike from me, contact me and we will find a solution. Obviously, as I said, European builds will be more limited and only aimed for high-end builds. Also, I have car wheel business here in Estonia and Baltics. Nothing is going to change with the car wheel business. I'm a dealer of Boston and HRG wheels. I have my own people here. Everything is working, so car wheel side will remain working and going like it has been going on for 10 years now. Oh, the Panigale has arrived to Austin. The Panigale that we ordered in the last episode to a trip to Austin. Big thanks to Vito for holding the bike for me there in the shop. I need to finish the bike by the end of March when it's MotoGP and hand build show in Austin. So it's kind of tight schedule. I have a few plans for the bike, but I hope I can make it there. Well, I need to finish it, whatever it takes. As I have so many things to do regarding this move and reorganizing all the business side, then let's not waste any more time. Let's clean this place up. Good morning. And it starts.
Kõik napikad vaata.
Lükka tihti. Ui. So it's the last night, all the moving has been done, last stuff is in the car. As you can see, it's cold and windy here, like Estonian February tends to be. I wanted to say special thanks to Estonian Ducati family for helping me out throughout all these years. And obviously massive thanks to local Ducati owner Tartu for this enormous support and being by my side all these years. Without Tartu's support, I think growing my Ducati side of business so fast, so big would have been really hard, so thank you, Tartu. Obviously it's kind of sad to leave also, but it is what it is, life goes on, new adventures are waiting ahead. Thank you and good night. Yo, so a lot has been going on because the moving and stuff, also many new European orders have been coming in, so lots of work and lots of stuff to do. I haven't filmed much, but I tried to find this 10 minutes now to quickly show you Jaret's wheels. These wheels are going to Jaret Campisi Diavel V4, and currently they are the first and only set like this in the world. Forged aluminum wheels, custom made, inspired by Porsche GT3, obviously, finished in gloss silver color. It took a little time to develop the wheels, especially the front one, but now everything should be correct and ready. Currently, as I said, this is the only one, but as now we have full 3D models and everything, so we can now basically produce these wheels also. So if anybody is interested in set like this, then you can email me and maybe we can produce you a set. But yeah, now, also we have, as you can see, tire lettering, Campisi Customs and KikasDesign to show the collaboration between us. But now I'm going to quickly pack them and we are going to send them to USA. And soon we are going to pack ourselves also and also going to USA. So stay tuned. Good morning. Today we are at Tartu, the second largest town in Estonia, and we are visiting the largest exhibition, motorcycle exhibition in Estonia. Our plane leaves in 2 days, but I wanted to visit my grandmother in southern Estonia, so Tartu is just on our way, and we are going to see what motorcycles here are. They're a little bit tuning bikes and mostly just brand new bikes here. Different companies are showing their new products and so on. So let's see what we see. On my home street now in Võru, little town in southern Estonia. I grew up here. I visited my grandmother. As I said, we are flying away from Estonia in 2 days, and I think it's time to end this episode now. We are going to pack the things. Next episode we will be in Austin already. So thank you all for watching. Click like and subscribe, and see you.